हेलो वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल आईटी ट्रेनिंग यूनिवर्स। मेरा आज का टॉपिक है डोमेस्टिक डाटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर थ्योरी क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर। माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट शुड you do if you experience a mid electric shock while touching the scanner? इसका आंसर है नंबर 2, स्विच ऑफ द पावर सप्लाई बटन ऑफ द स्कैनर एंड रिपोर्ट द इश्यूज इमीडिएटली। Number 2, while removing a USB mass storage device from your system, the following message appears on the screen. What will you do? इसका आंसर है scan the system. Number 3, you should prioritize your work while handling multiple tasks. Number 1, true. You should ask the customer to leave the mandatory field blank. इसका आंसर है ट्रू। नंबर 5, इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोटेक्ट डाटा ट्रांसफर शुड ओनली बी डन बाय सिक्योर चैनल्स। आंसर है ट्रू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है हाउ विल यू चेंज पासवर्ड ऑफ योर सिस्टम? इसका आंसर है press Ctrl Alt plus delete and then click change a password. Number 7, you should try to reduce the wastage of paper as much as possible. True. Number 8, what should you ask from a customer before filling in his her work experience column? इसका आंसर है आपका numbers of years of job experience. Number 9, which of the following customer information would you need to fill the mailing address column? Answer है the address to which letters, package, etc. can be sent. Number 10, how will you handle a customer whose service request was delayed due to internet connectivity issues? Answer है inform the customer about connectivity issue, the assure and him her that the request. Question number 11, you need to enter the records of 50 customers but you were able to get only 40 records. Whom should you get help from? आंसर है आपका डाटा बेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। नंबर 12, you should never work on your colleagues pending work if he and she is on level. आंसर है आपका ट्रू। Question number 13, what information would you need from a client to update his and her service request? इसका आंसर है आपका सर्विस रिक्वेस्ट नंबर। नेक्स्ट है 14, which of the following software can be used for report writing? आंसर है MS Office। Question number 15, a customer is visiting your office for the first time and does not know what you will not columns date of previous visit. Answer है number 1, ask the customer to leave the column blank. Number 16, what action will you take after receiving such mail from a customer? इसका आंसर है आपका forward the email to the maintenance department. Number 17, your system automatically calculates the aggregate percentage after marks of all the subjects are entered. While verifying you find a mismatch in the aggregate percentage. What will you do in this situation? आंसर है आपका compare the marks, aggregate marks and percentage of all the subjects to find and correct the mistakes. Number 18, you should inform the cleaning department if you notice that the wash basis of the canteen is blocked and dirty. True. Number 19, if any database errors occurs, you will report the issue to the database administrator. True. Number 20, you are recording information about a service request. Which of the following will you include in your record? आंसर है आपका कैटेगरी ऑफ द सर्विस रिक्वेस्ट। Question number 21, you have been provided with a confidential document and are asked to carry out of the proofing and checking of the same. How will you carry out? Check for the spelling and grammar. 22, There has been no action to the customer's query for the last 2 weeks. What should be done in order to provide the solution to her query? Answer all of the given options. Question number 23. The format of birth date is an application, but a customer has entered his birth date is. What should you do in this situation? Assist the customer in filling the date of the birth in the correct format. Question number 24. You should use the window disk cleanup features to remove files. Answer है junk. 25. Your immediate senior has asked you to take care of his takes for few days. What should you do in such a situation? आंसर है आपका एग्री डू टू द टास्क. नंबर 26. You should use to store amount of data of your system. आंसर है आपका हार्ड डिस्क. नंबर 27. Device should be password protected to prevent unauthorized access. आंसर है ट्रू. Question number 28. You take minutes to fill a form. Calculate how many forms you would fill in hours. 160. 29. What should you not do while resolving customer's query? आंसर है आपका make promise to provide whatever the customer asks for. Question number 30. A customer asks you to make change in his bank account detail without bringing any supporting documents. What will you do? Answer है ask the customer to deposit the supporting document and only then process the request. Question number 31. Refuse to process the request. Answer है ask the customers to deposit the supporting document and only then process the request. Question number 32. Which of the following steps must be taken to prevent leakage of confidential information? Change the password on regular basis. To the information should be given to limited people. Install CCTV cameras. आंसर है आपका 1, 2 and 3. What will you do if you are unable to understand some function of the database management software? आंसर है consult the technical support team. Question number 34. Spare time in office can be best utilized by. आंसर है increasing your knowledge on new techniques. Question number 35. You will consult for understand your roles and responsibilities in the organization. Answer है receptionist. Question number 36. Which of the following steps must be taken if you find someone fainted at your workplace? Call the fire department, call the ambulance, give first aid to the person. आंसर है आपका 1, 2 and 3. Question number 37. You should ignore the situations if you notice your colleagues sharing confidential detail with your organization's competitor. आंसर है आपका true. Question number 38. What will you do if a friend approaches you to discuss the project cost task assigned to your team? Answer है ask him to discuss such detail with your senior management. Question number 39. You should take help before working on a Microsoft version that is new you. Answer है true. अब है आपका question number 40. You should inform your senior whenever work ID play due to some reason. Answer है true. Question number 41. You have been given a very critical task of maintaining customer queries in a query management system by your line manager. What should be your approach while performing the task? Answer है आपका completing the work, ignoring the detail. Question number 42. Which of the following may lead to loss of data? Answer है logging off before saving data files. Question number 43. What should you do if you notice sparking in the AC switch of the server room? Answer है report the issue to maintenance facility team to get it fixed as soon as possible. Question number 44. What should you do in case the security person asks you to fill the detail your visitor? Ask the safety officer to enter any data. Question number 45. You are in your office and you feel an earthquake. What will you do? आंसर है आपका गेट आउट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग यूजिंग स्टार्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. What will you do if an accident due to short circuit task placed at your workplace? आंसर होगा आपका report to the medical as well as electrical department. Question number 47. What will of the following images indicate a potential hazard at a workplace that should be reported to the authorized? All of the given options. Question number 48. Identify the image of a clean and tidy workplace. जो नंबर 2 है आपका वो सही है. 49. Which of the following will appear if you run the scan command? Right. Question number 50. How will you restrict at A's columns to accept only whole numbers between 18 to 16? ये आपका right है. Question number 51 है you need to enter a symbol. How you will add it? Question number 52. How will you change the password of your system? Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and then click change your password. Question number 53. What should be done after you have completed the task given to you? Answer है आपका verify and ensure that the task is error free. Question number 54. You want to add hyperlink in your Excel document. Which of the following options will you choose? चूज करेंगे हम hyperlink option. Question number 55. In Windows operating system, how would you create a backup for scan files? ये जो आपका सामने दिख रहा है ये बिल्कुल right है. 56. What action will you take after receiving such mail from a customer? Answer है आपका ask the customer for the enrollment number with the scanned copy of free receipt. Question number 57. What could be the reason of the error message shown in the following image? Answer है the field should be left blank. Question number 58. What information would you need from a customer before filling in his academic achievements columns? Answer है आपका educational and qualification. Question number 59. You should never work on your colleague's pending work if he and she is on leave. Answer है true. Question number 60. How will you handle a customer whose service request was deployed due to internet connectivity issues? Answer है आपका number 3. Inform the customer about connectivity issue and assure him her that the request will be processed soon. 61. You should not report to your senior in case you find colleagues smoking and drinking at the workplace. Answer है false. Question number 62. In Windows operating system, how would you create backup for scan files? ये आपका right है इमेज में. Question number 63. In which of the following ways will you store a set of files in a zip folder? Yes, which of the following options should you use to sort files by their types? Answer है sort by. Next is 65. Which of the following will you use to find a value in MS Excel? You're right. 66. In case of a software failure, you should report the issue to the, आंसर है आपका इसमें technical support team. Question number 67. You should suggest the customer to fill detail of his and her relatives in hobbies column. False. 68. A field requires information to be filled in block letters. What should you suggest to customer? Answer है use capital letters. How can you rectify the error message shown in the following image? Delete the software. Number 70. You need to insert an image to an Excel document. How will you do it? आंसर है आपका go to insert tab and click on picture. Question number 71. You need to arrange the given data alphabetically. Which of the following option? Right. 72. You notice that data fails to boot due to which you are unable to access. Answer है आपका 72. Number 2. 73. Which of these is a sign for electrically hazard? Yes. Question number 76 है what will you do in case a fire alarm rings in your office? Move out of the office immediately. Number 77. You should try to minimize the wastage of paper as such as possible. Answer है आपका true. Number 78. Why should you have knowledge about access control mechanisms? It helps to configure the parameters and initial setting for some computer program. Thank you.